9th December 2025, we launch our prestigious project, Shahrukh by Danube. And you know it was sold out on the first day. Shahrukh by Danube is sold out. And today I am here on the 1st of March, which is less than 3 months, to see the construction of the site. So, let's go. As you can see behind me, the construction have already started. The shoring and piling has commenced. That's why I always say, when you invest in Danube, you just invest. Me and my team will take care of the rest.